Hello children, today we are going to start lesson number 9, Degrees of Comparison. Children, in our previous lesson, we became familiar with adjectives. Yes, and today we are going to learn about an adjective that changes its forms when it is used to compare one noun with another. And children, it is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Okay. Children, there are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So, let us first see what is a positive degree. Children, the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. I repeat, the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, the hippopotamus is a large animal. Children, in the given sentence, the word large stands for positive degree. As here, there is no comparison of hippopotamus with any other animal. Okay? Children, now let's move with comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. When two people, two places, or two things are compared with each other, the degree of adjective that is used is called comparative degree. I repeat, when two people, two places, or two things are compared with each other, the degree of the adjective that is used is called comparative degree. For example, an elephant is larger than a hippopotamus. Children, in the given sentence, the word larger stands for comparative degree. As here, two animals, that is hippopotamus and elephant, are compared with each other. Okay, children, now let's see what is a superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Children, when 3 or more people, places, or things are compared, the degree of the adjective that is used is called the superlative degree. I repeat, when 3 or more people, places, or things are compared, the degree of the adjective that is used is called the superlative degree. For example, the whale is the largest animal. In the given sentence, largest stands for superlative degree, as here whale is compared with all the other animals. Okay. Children, when we have to form comparative and superlative degrees of adjective, we have to remember certain rules. So, let us see first the rules of changing an adjective to their comparative degree. Children, while changing an adjective in the comparative degree, we add er to the word. For example, small, smaller, long, longer, sweet, sweeter. Okay, children? Children, any words that ends with the consonant Y, we drop Y and add IER to change it in their comparative degrees. For example, heavy becomes heavier and lucky becomes luckier. And when the adjective ends in E, we add only R to the adjective to make it comparative. For example, nice, nicer, fine, finer. Now children, let us see the rules of changing an adjective to their superlative degrees. Children, while changing an adjective in the superlative degree, we add est to the word. For example, small, smallest, long, longest, sweet, sweetest. Children, when words that ends with the consonant Y, we drop Y and add IEST to change it in their superlative degrees. For example, heavy, heaviest, lucky, luckiest. And when the adjective ends in E, we add only ST to the adjective to make it superlative. For example, nice, nicest, fine, finest. Okay, children? Children, sometimes the last letter of the adjective is doubled to make it comparative or superlative degrees. For example, thin, thinner, thinnest. Here thin is a positive degree, thinner is a comparative degree, and thinnest is a superlative degree. Second example, red, redder, reddest. Okay. Now, have a look at the following table to understand all the 3 degrees of comparison more clearly. Here in the 3 columns, positive degree is given, comparative degree is given, and superlative degree is given. Okay, so let us see. First is tall. Tall is a positive degree. So comparative degree of tall is taller and superlative is tallest. Same way, high positive, higher comparative, and highest is superlative. Third word is bright. Comparative is brighter and superlative is brightest. Fourth word is brave, braver, bravest. Next is easy. Comparative is easier and superlative is easiest. Last word, big, bigger, biggest. So children, with this, I hope you all are cleared with degrees of comparison. Yes, isn't it? Now, let us start the exercise of textbook which is there on page number 37. Lesson number 9, page number 37, exercise. Only one exercise is there, children, over here, so we will do that exercise. Filling the blanks with the correct degree of comparison of the adjective in bracket. So here children, we have to use the correct degree of comparison in the blank and we have to use the word from the bracket. So let us start with the first one. This is the dash thing anyone had said to me today. Now here, as you can see, this is now anything is compared with other things. Okay, here things anyone has said me to today. So more than 2 things will be there, or maybe 3 or more, maybe 4. It is not specified. So now this is the nicest it will come. It is a superlative degree. It is compared. One thing is compared to more than 2 things. So here we will write superlative degree, that is nicest. So nice ka it will become nicest. This is the nicest thing anyone has said to me today. Now see the second sentence. Tani is dash than Sally. Now here Tani and Sally, two girls are compared. Okay, so when there is comparison between 2 things or 2 object or 2 person, we use comparative degree. So here in the bracket word is given short, so it will become shorter. Tani is shorter than Sally. Okay children. Now next sentences are on page number 38. Third sentence it is, the mango is the dash of all fruits. Now here mango is compared with all the other fruits. Okay, so here comparison of mango is done with rest of all the fruits. So it is a superlative degree. More than 2 things are compared. Yes. So here you are going to write sweetest. Understood? Now here mango is there and all other fruits. Other fruits are so many. Yes. So mango is compared with so many other fruits. So it is a superlative degree. When only 2 fruits were compared, so it would be a comparative degree. But here mango is compared with rest all the other fruits. So it is a superlative degree. So we will write sweetest. Now see the next sentence. Burj Khalifa is the dash building in the world. Now here also Burj Khalifa is compared with rest all the buildings in the world. So Burj Khalifa is compared with rest, matlab so many buildings. Burj Khalifa is the tall. Yes, here in the bracket it is given tall. So it is compared with so many buildings. So here we are going to use superlative degree. So here we will write tallest. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Yes, getting or not? Because here Burj Khalifa is compared with many other buildings in the world. So many buildings are there in the world. Yes. So from all that building, Burj Khalifa is the tallest. So it's a superlative degree. Next sentence. My house is dash than yours. Now here comparison of 2 houses, mine and yours house are given. So it is a comparative degree. 2 things are compared, 2 houses are compared. So it's a comparative degree. So here we are going to write smaller. We are going to use comparative degree over here. Okay. See the next sentence. May is the dash month of the year. Now again here May is compared with all the other months of the year. So again here it will be the superlative degree because there are 12 months in a year. Yes, and here May is compared with rest 12 months. So comparison is there more than 3 months. Okay, so here we will write superlative degree, that is hottest. May is the hottest month of the year. Next sentence, it is dash outside today. Now here no comparison is done. So it's a positive degree. So we will write it is cold outside today. Last sentence, apples are dash than guava. Now here again apples are compared with guava. Two fruits are compared. So here we are going to use what? Yes, comparative degree. Yes, because 2 words are compared. So we will use comparative degree. So costly ka it will become costlier. Yes. Understood? So with this our first exercise, only one exercise is there. So we have completed with it. Thank you.